Hey everybody, welcome to Friday Sews. Friday, April 2nd. Yeah, April 2nd, I can't believe it. And it's Easter weekend already. That's just crazy to me. So I had to miss last Friday Sews again just because work has been so crazy that by the time I'm done for the day, I'm so tired. So I don't know about you guys if you work too, how that is. It's like sewing's supposed to relax me, but then when you're too tired to do what you like to do to relax, see, I'm so tired, like I don't even know if I can speak well. So I had my last class with Kenneth, and yes, I'm actually filming this on Saturday because I didn't have time yesterday to film, but I had my last class with Kenneth King for the raglan coat class this morning, and the progress that I've made on that is actually cutting out my fabric and my lining pieces. So even though the class is done, I can still access the videos, so I'll be able to work on that. So my goal for myself is every weekend do a little bit on the coat and then work on another sewing project. So that's the plan. I am also working on a pattern test. I won't say which company or what it is. It's not Sinclair. It's a new company for me as a pattern tester this time, and I'll just show you the fabric I'm using is this gold hotchi. So yeah, that's going to be fun, and I can't wait to show you what that is. And then I've also started using my SureFit kit, and I've drafted the front bodice, and here it is. And so I'm filming that because we're going to do that together in a video. So I've done that, and then I baked cookies, and I baked cookies like 2 weeks ago. And I don't know if you bake anything special for Easter. I don't really bake anything special specifically for Easter, but I came across this recipe for New York style Cadbury mini egg cookies. So I didn't even realize there was a New York style cookie, but there's like a New York style everything. So basically these cookies are like huge, and I'll stick a picture of the ones I made. But you roll them in a ball and you don't squish the ball, they just bake like that, and they're just massive and gooey and so good. It's the best cookie recipe I've ever come across. So I actually have a little Instagram that I've started, like 20 followers, if that. It's called Miss Emily Bakes, and I like to bake. I'm totally a newbie, but I like to bake brioche and babka and cakes and all that stuff. And my friend that lives in London, he's actually practicing to be on the Great British Baking Show. And so we're challenging each other. So it gets my skill up, and then it helps him practice to apply for the show. So that's really cool. So we made these cookies, and then we'll have some other stuff. So if you're interested in baking, follow me on Instagram at Miss Emily Bakes. I think it's Miss_Emily_Bakes. Anyway, I'll put it in and then link it below. Those cookies are so good. And I'm going to make that version, but with chocolate chips and walnuts. So this last version was just Cadbury mini eggs because it's Easter. So, okay, enough about baking. Let's go back. I told you, I'm tired and a little bit loopy. So we're going to go back into sewing. Let me tell you what I got. So I went to drop my sewing machine off a week ago, or 2 weeks ago, to get service, and I came across this Simplicity. It looks like a dust buster, but it's not. It's by Simplicity. Simplicity makes actual real vacuums. And it has a hose, and it has these little attachments. Look how cute they are. Oh my god. That was a little brush I just dropped. So it's going to be great for cleaning my sewing machines. And I haven't used it yet, so next Friday Sews I will have used it, and I'll be able to tell you if it's worth it. It was $40 on Amazon. I didn't buy it Sewing Machines Plus, where I was getting my Bernina service, because it was $50, and, well, I could save $10 on Amazon, so I did. Alright, so I'm going to pause here because I'm doing a giveaway. And I don't want to advertise that I'm doing a giveaway, because I want it just to be for people that actually watch my videos and are, participate, and you know what I'm saying. So if you are watching this and you want a pair of these gingers, these are the 5-inch, they call them craft scissors, but I love this pair of scissors. And also if you like Kenneth King, he loves this pair of scissors, and he has like, I don't know, 6 of them. But these are just getting in there, getting into those like little crevices and nipping and notching. They're awesome. So comes with this little leather case. So if you want to enter in the little giveaway, just leave me a comment about scissors. And then once I hit 4,000 subscribers, because that's why I'm doing this, I'm about to hit, well, I don't know, I think I'm about 70 away from 4,000. So I just want to be appreciative of that. And if you are a loyal viewer, and you want a pair of scissors, leave me a comment about scissors. And I will send you these. You do have to give me your address though. I'm not a stalker, don't worry. I got some fabric that arrived from Style Maker Fabrics. I've decided that I'm going to try my hand at jeans at some point. I don't know. I always said I wasn't going to do it, but I also said I'd never make underwear, and look what happened. So, I don't know. Okay, so I have this. This is it's got some stretch in it. This is a slub. This is a selvage. It's called slub denim. I don't know. So there's that one. And then there's this one, which is actually, when I buy jeans, this is typically like the deep, called like indigo. And again, this has some stretch too. This has more stretch than the other one. So yeah, I have these two, and I also have some other denim I got from Cali Fabrics that's kind of like this, but a slightly different color. So I got these at Style Makers, and then I was planning on possibly the ginger jeans because that's super popular pattern, right? And then I think they also have, Closet Core has another jean pattern, but I forgot the name, so I might do that one too. But the jeans patterns are really popular, so I thought, okay, well, I'm going to give it a whirl. And then I also ordered the Closet Core. I want to say Closet Case, because it used to be called Closet Case, but it's Closet Core. And this is a little jeans kit, so it comes with the rivets and the zipper. So jeans making hardware kit. Let's open it up. Actually, I haven't opened it. Bought one. You can get it in gold, silver, copper, or antique brass. I got mine in silver. Oh my gosh. I am not graceful at all. Oh, and it comes with needles and a little button. Here's the zipper. So yeah, I think this was like 13 bucks or something around there. So that, I got that. But let's go back to my Style Maker order. So, and then I got this lemon gauze. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't, lemons and fruit prints are really cute, right? So I have 2 yards of this. I thought because I was just going to make a skirt. But now I'm thinking, well, maybe if I can find some little dress, summer dress that will take 2 yards, maybe I'll do that. But this is so cute. The lemons are making me happy, so let's just do that. So that's what I got from Style Maker, and it came in, oh no, I also got this bias tape. So they have this very soft crepe bias tape they sell. So I got it in black, and I got it in navy, and they have it in white and maybe another color, or maybe it's just black, white, and navy. I'm not sure. This is really nice. It was like $2 a yard, I think. And then this denim, it was around $15 a yard, I think. I'm a mess. You should see this sewing room. It is a disaster and a half. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the last thing I'll talk about, oh no, I have one thing that I picked up too when I was at Sewing Machines Plus, are these little fork pins, and these are great for when you're matching up like seams, and you have like an intersection of seams, and you don't want them to shift, these little fork pins. Well, so those are great. You guys, I want to take like a month off work, a whole sabbatical and do nothing but sew, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I finished my dress. So one of my Friday sews, this was a dress that I had planned to make. So this is, what is it? So yeah, this is New Look 6413. And I'll just talk briefly about it because I'll talk more about it in a different video. Just to kind of share some, I don't know, lessons learned. But the pattern called for an invisible zipper up the center front, and I decided not to do that. And I thought I'm going to move the zipper into the back, and I decided I don't need a zipper at all. And you know what? I don't. But I did end up with a seam in the center back because I thought that I was going to put a zipper in, and I'd already cut it when I realized I don't need one. But that's okay because when you have a center back seam, you can get a better fit because you can take this in. Like I have to basically take this in as it goes up. So that worked for me and I'm fine with that. I would rather have a better fitting garment with a seam in the back. And I also decided to put in some stabilizer, this Tricot stabilizer that I love, and I normally use it for when I work with knits to stabilize shoulders and hems. But I decided to put it here on the sleeve and on the hem because this is lightweight rayon, and I think it worked well. It's not necessary, but it added just a tiny bit of weight to the hem and to the sleeves, and I like the outcome. So that was an experiment that went well. This one is by Sewkeys. I can link it below. It's knit Inteerfacing. I called it Tricot, but it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, so I actually got some stuff done, and I'm looking forward to finishing up the Sure Fit test and releasing the video so you can see how that looks. And then moving on to some of those dresses that I want to make, my other rayon challis dresses. Oh, and by the way, this fabric came from Style Makers as well in a different order. And I did not make this denim jacket. This is from Free People, but I did make this dress. This is a double brush poly using Sinclair Alana, maybe? Alana, it's a nice just little dress. So I film on the second floor and there's townhouses across from me, and I feel like they're looking in and wondering what I do. If they are looking in, that's creepy. They shouldn't be looking in. Okay, everyone, that's it for Friday Sews. I just wanted to pop on and just catch you up on everything that's been going on since I haven't filmed the video last week. And thanks for listening to me rattle on. And I hope you have, if you celebrate Easter, I hope you have a really great Easter. And I will see you next Friday.